All right, today we're working on finding mean, median, mode, and range. And so you already watched a video that talked about mean, median, and mode and how to solve those. So this video is going to really work on range here, which is the fourth way that we kind of use. And we'll talk in our small groups about why we would use these things. But this video and this lesson is just kind of getting into the routine of solving them. Okay, so make sure that you copied this down into your Avid binder. These are the four big things we are going to be having to solve over the next few days: the mean or the average, the median, the mode, and the range. And so this middle column talks about what each one is. And so you want to copy that down, but make sure that you know the range is the difference. How much is there? What is the difference between the biggest number in your data set and the smallest set? How far apart are the biggest from the smallest? And then this third column tells you how to calculate that. All right. And you can see for the range, it's as simple as taking that biggest number and subtracting the smallest number. That gets us our difference. Okay. So here we go. We have this number of wins for the Minnesota Twins in the past 5 years. We are going to skip over the mean, the median, and the mode, and we're just going to try to find the range. Whenever we work with data, I really want you to get into the habit of writing them in order from smallest to biggest. It helps us with a lot of these, and it just helps to organize our data. So if I'm looking at this, I see that 59 is the smallest, so I'm just going to rewrite these from smallest to biggest. Then we had 78. Then we had 83. And we had 85. And we had a really good season with 101 wins. Now, to find the range, all we simply do is we take the biggest number, which in this case is 101, and we subtract the smallest number, which is 59. That will get us the difference between the biggest and the smallest number. So it tells us how much is between those two. All right, I can't take 1 minus 9. I'm going to make this 9, make that an 11, 2, 42. When I subtract that, I get 42. You could always check it on a calculator too. So that simply is what the range is. It's 42. I took the biggest number minus the smallest number to get the range. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to get a couple of different data sets like this, and you're going to have to find the mean, median, mode, and range. All right, that's what you're going to be doing, and trying to figure out which one is which and get into that kind of habit of things. So you can use your chart, you can use a calculator. The biggest thing is, can we figure out which one is which? Set your numbers up in order, and that is your lesson for today. Inside of our small group today, we will work a lot on, well, what does this tell us about the data? All right, but for now, your job is just to try to calculate it. All right, everyone, we'll see you this afternoon when you get to small groups.